Okay, what's 33 weeks? How many months? 8? 7?
Đó qua lên lót đi. Vậy mình cười quá. Con cười có thể vạch nó tê gần bằng.
Ôi cứ Hey guys, thank you for coming to Guin and Jay. It's a little early, but I wanted to explain some rules. So everybody should have one of this at their table, placemat, and it's a game. So the purpose of this game is, can everybody hear me? Are you sure? The purpose of this game is that if you see anybody crossing the legs or ankle or saying the word baby, you get to take theirs away. So the more you collect during the duration of the party, during the whole baby shower, the last person with the most is the winner. So you get to pick a prize that will be located over there. Does that make sense? Everybody got it? Yes? 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 We got it? Okay. Okay, se los voy a decir para que los que no entiendan. El propósito de este juego lo vamos a hacer más complicado de lo que es. Todos, los hombres incluidos, van a tener uno de estos para ponérselo y luego no pueden cruzar los pies o decir la palabra bebé. Y si sabemos que es una niña, entonces pues no es niña. Y si lo dicen, se lo tienen que quitar la persona. Gana un premio al final. ¿Sí? ¿Ok?
Hey, you didn't say the girl thing in English.
Say not to say baby, so you can say girl. The baby, the girl. For everybody. ¿Y ya la comida pueden agarrar, no? Okay, I think so, yeah. Okay, guys, so here are the, you can go ahead and start coming out here. Yeah, do you want to go ahead and, here are the plates, here are the chips. We have salad, we have forks and spoons, and oh, let me get this out too. And for the little ones, because, you know, not everybody likes the chicken tenders, we have pizza inside. So if you want some pizza, we got some pizza inside. No hay pizza adentro, creo que es la... Pizza adentro, ya puedes comer, compadre. Por favor, pasa, adelante, sírvese. ¿Ah? Diego González, puedes pasar. And we also have some beans inside if you want to go ahead and grab some beans too. We have some beans inside. We stay keeping them warm. So please feel free to grab whenever they give you a free chance. There's a plate right here. And the drinks are right there. They're located in that container over there. Thank you.
The pan grande su sangre, nooit naar een drie. Zo eet dan.
This lady's crazy.
Cho tiếng xa đó. Đưa dụ vào đây.
Ăn kêu ăn nó phong tè. No, để ăn nó phong nè. Bự sẽ cái tôi
Nè.
này. Cầm đuôn đưa tới sân này cho ăn nó phong. Đưa tay, yeah, đưa tay cầm đưa.
They'll ask if you, what do you mean?
Ngấm lại vô ập vô chơi xả. Cái này gì?
They got it right here. I got you.